Hi. First, this instruction on how to use this instruction show you how will you be able to edit the news and updates, delete and recreate new news and updates. So first instruction is log into the administration page of the website. So WP admin login. Sorry, will be so log into the administration page of the website. Say for example our admin, then the password given by the person. So once you have login, then navigate on the left side control panel of the administration page. Click the news and updates list. On this part you will see all the sorry, it's on navigate to the blog list page. Navigate to the blog list page and you will see all the news and updates here or the blog posts. So how will you be able to add a new post? Click the add new. So in the add new, put in the title, then the content. So once you're done, click the publish. You can also change the date for the publishing. For the publish, you can post this. So you can post this anytime you want. So once you're done, click the update. Then once you're done updating the new post, you will see it now on the news and updates area. So as you can see, our new post is already added on the news and updates. News and updates on the front page is same as the blog post or the blog page on the website of the URA2 page. So how will you be able now to delete the new added blog posts? So let's go back to the administration page. Click on the blog list. Then as you can see, we have the options here. So as you can see, we have other options here: edit, quick edit, rush, and view. So what we will be doing is delete the post. So click the trash. So it's already deleted. Or if you are not, let's say you want to undo the deletion, it's on the trash page. So restore or delete permanently, whatever you want. So let's delete it permanently. So once done, then go back to blog list. Then as you can see, our newly added post is already deleted. Then go back again to the website, then click refresh. So as you can see, there's our newly added post is already deleted, same as on homepage on the news and update section. So that's all. Thank you.